Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 27th of January, 2022. Is it time to take profits in Pfizer? I mean, do we need to come in and take the bag? Now, you guys can see that we started a minor downtrend right now. So I wanted to come in, speak to all of our subscribers, let you all know what I'm noticing on the chart right now in Pfizer to see where price is going to go. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. You guys clearly tell that this is my idea as to where I think price is headed. Now, I'm going to break this down, and then we're going to talk about where price is going to go next in Pfizer. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. Check this out. This is my channel right here, right? We're already 10,400 subscribers deep into understanding where the market is going to go. If you're not part of this group, you need to make sure that you join in, because everyone else outside of our subscribership is actually playing behind the market, right? We want to be ahead of the game, and the only way for you to really do that is to come in and participate. Yeah, so join the community, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. And then also come here to my playlist. This is the spot to where you're gonna get the latest information regarding where I'm thinking price is gonna go for all of these stocks. It's all right here. Every video that I've done on this channel is in one of these playlists. All right, so come here too as well. Now let's get back to this though. So I did a video in Pfizer back here on October the 30th, right? You guys can see it, it's still here. And like I said, if you haven't seen it yet, it's in the playlist. Now, I was playing the strength into the market in Pfizer back in October, right? Looking for the price to go up. And I had a restriction point into the market in Pfizer right there around $46, 4.82% simple. That was relatively simple in this space. And we broke out from $46 right here on the November the 5th. Now, question. In order for us to learn from how the market works, my question to you would be, would you have gotten back into the market after you saw that move? Or would you have taken that 4.82% and moved on to another play? What would you have done? Because I'm here to show you something. I would have gotten back into the game. Yeah, because the market strength was still being seen in Pfizer right here on November the 5th. How do I know that? Well, the chart don't lie, right? I'm one of the staunch advocates that you don't need nothing else into the market to figure out what it is trying to do. Right here told you, with all of this volume, told you that the market was feeling bullish. Because if it wasn't, the market would not have seen this much volume, and then the price would not have closed at the high of the bar. This was massively bullish right there. Yeah, whoever participated into the market in Pfizer had a big bag, and they bought a whole lot of stock on that day. And look what price has done since then. It went from what, $48.50 all the way up here to $62, 27% run. And that's only from November the 5th to December the 17th. You could have got 27% off the market right there. So yeah, I would have got back into the market. So if you were to get out now on the close last traded yesterday, still 21% run. So you're still sitting pretty good. So now that's it. Let's talk about, should you take profits now though, right? Let's try to figure this out. So the question is, do you still think we're in an uptrend into the market in Pfizer? And the answer is emphatically yes. We're still in an uptrend. So long term, yeah, depending on where you entered into the market in Pfizer, you could wait a little bit longer, right? But if you got into the market in Pfizer around 48, you might want to question, I might need to take the bag now, because this price could come all the way back down and test this trend. And if you do that, then you'd be breaking even from when you came in and purchased the stock around 48. Let's look at this on the 3-day time frame. Okay. So this is Pfizer on the 3-day. In actuality, you all can see how this price is finding the buyers right around here. Okay. So our focus, our attention is going to be on this area as well, in terms of seeing this price in Pfizer to come down. Okay. So we got two bases to where we're looking for buyers. The first area is here, around $50.50. Second area is on this ascending line. Both these locations, we need to see buyers. If we don't, then we know we're going to continue to break down and price is going to continue to go lower. Okay. So let me zoom in. This is the 3-day. And right now the buyers are able to maintain price in Pfizer. yeah, this current 3-day price bar lets us know that. Now, issue is, how high can this price go? Because you can see it's probably around here to where restriction is into the market around $56. Okay, because I want us to start paying attention to this earnings release. It's coming up on February the 8th, 2022. So we can actually see price in Pfizer, try to play some upward move, hit that $56, $57 price around earnings, and then price comes back down. We can literally see that happen. This is Pfizer on the 5-day. So you let me know what you're seeing into the market in Pfizer. Let's look at this on the 3 weeks. Yeah, this is the 3 weeks time frame here in Pfizer. And I really don't want everyone to get complacent here into the market, because this last completed 3 weekly price bar is telling us that, yeah, something has changed. So even though we're seeing some buyers into the market right now, we still got 15 days and 9 hours left, and this can definitely change here. But what happened the last 3 weekly price bar lets us know that the dynamics has changed into the market in Pfizer just a little bit. So now let me break this down to the hourly real quick, because I'm not really all that bullish. I'm not really all that weak in the market in Pfizer neither. What I'm seeing is pretty much that this market is going to consolidate for a couple of days. Now that consolidation range is between, like I said, $50 first, that's support, and restrictions around 56. So we can literally see the price in Pfizer bounce in between those two lines, right? Yeah, we can see that. Look at this on the 13-hour chart. Getting a little bit of strength here into the market in Pfizer, but let's look at this though. See that? We haven't broken the trend. So what I'm going to do basically is mixed. And when a market is showing you mixed signals between buying and selling, your time preference become all the more important, right? If you're looking at this from a small standpoint, a small time frame, then yeah, you can play a little bit of strength here into the market in Pfizer. But if you're playing this in the long term, you got a little bit more weakness to contend with. And since I don't do this video, since I don't cover Pfizer every day, I'm gonna play this on the long term. Okay, so I'm gonna play a little bit of weakness here into the market in Pfizer, and we're going to continue to be weak in the market in Pfizer until we see price break back up above around like 57. Okay, now we got a couple of areas of TP into the market in Pfizer as we continue to see this market trade going into March, April time frame, and I want to show it to you. First area that we need to consider taking some profit is right there around 50. Yeah, $50.50, right? I'm one of the ones to not have you hold these stocks forever. You need to also know when you need to leave the market, right? These YouTubers tell you when to get in, but they never come through and tell you when to exit. They tell you to stay locked up behind bars for the next 5, 10, 15 years. So on this particular prediction, yeah, you might want to consider around that $50.50 price, which is around 4.87%. My second area is around 48. Okay. That's around 9.34% movement to the downside in Pfizer. And then if we continue to see weakness into the market, yeah, 46. That takes us back here to this ascending line, this trend. Okay. So we got $50.45 first, second area 48, third area is 46. I really don't see 46 on the short term, but I do see it applicable, coming more into light as we extend out the time frame. So this is it. Let me hit this back over to the daily so you all can see it. Okay, and zoom in here on it so you guys can see my idea as to what I'm thinking the market in Pfizer is going to do. I'm going to bring this in closer, about the beginning of March, so we can see what the market in Pfizer is going to be headed next. Okay, so that's it. Real quick, let me know, what do you all think about Pfizer? Where do you think this price is going to go? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Let me know. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and it's always trade different.